So for the first fourth circuit, I'll be using my hand to serve as a pathway for electrons to flow to the base. This wire connects to the collector, and this other wire connects to the base. Right now, they are being held together by my hand without actually touching. And right now, current is flowing, turning the transistor on, turning the LED on, since it is known that BJTs are current controlled. So if they receive current, if the base receives current, then it turns on, turning the LED on. Now, it's an open circuit. No current is flowing, so the transistor turns off, turning the LED off. And using this concept, this circuit can be used to detect to detect someone's hand, basically. Pretty cool. And here's a PNP circuit. Works the same way. The two wires are being held. They're not touching. Current flows through. Transistor turns on. LED turns on. Open circuit. No current. Transistor is off. LED is off.